Yeah, ma'am.
Uh,
Can you hear me, ma'am?
yeah, I can hear you, but I can't see you.
Just a minute. Hope you can
Yeah,
see me now.
yes, I can see you now. You're properly visible. So, hi
Yeah.
Deepak. Where are you from?
Hi, ma'am. I'm from Pune. What about you?
I'm from Kolkata. So, what do you do?
Oh, yeah. I work in a private company here in Pune.
Okay, good. So, what is the reason of joining this platform? Is it your first session, or you have taken sessions before on English sharing?
No, I have taken sessions actually, but that point of time, my network was somewhat weak, right? So I could not complete the previous sessions.
Okay, so how many sessions you have taken so far with us?
Two sessions.
Okay, that means you are new here. All right, so welcome,
Yeah.
Deepak. Tell me what are the
Thank you very
areas you
much.
want to improve?
All the areas, I would say.
Okay, but
Because
still,
this this is a journey. This is a journey which never ends, right?
yeah,
Every day
absolutely.
new words are keep coming, right? So all the
Hmm.
time we are new here.
Exactly, absolutely. I agree that it's a lifelong process of learning anything. So, but still, if I
Yeah,
ask
yeah.
you, what are the things? Communication you want
Mm.
to improve, pronunciation, fluency, which one?
Yeah, I would say, speaking part,
Okay,
communication, you can say. Yeah.
okay, all right. Okay, so do you do any kind of activities for improving your English, like watching videos, reading, those kind of things?
Yes, of course. I actually, for your kind information, I have a own YouTube channel.
Wow.
Yeah, called DVD Light, on which I create some videos regarding English language, and at the same time, I learn.
Okay, that's wonderful. What's the name?
Yeah,
Can you tell
DB
again?
Delight, DB Delight.
DV Delight.
Yeah,
Okay. I didn't get that. Okay, after this session, could you please send the link on chat box here of your YouTube channel?
yes, definitely, definitely.
Then I will surely
Without
check
fail, I
out
will
your
share.
channel. Yes. Okay. So let me introduce
Yeah,
about myself as
and
well.
don't
Yes.
don't just check out, also subscribe.
Yeah, surely. Definitely. I can understand because I am a YouTuber as well. This thing I totally understand. People just go away and they don't subscribe. It hurts.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
So you
yeah.
can you
So,
can feel the sense.
absolutely, I can feel. Yeah, so as you know, my name is
Yeah.
Arpita. I'm from Kolkata and I'm doing history honors from Calcutta University. And apart from that, I have an
Hmm.
online institute where I teach spoken English and communication skill. I have one YouTube channel too by the name Speak English with Arpita. And here I'm working as a tutor
Mhm.
on English sharing. That's
Okay.
all.
Okay. And after the session ends, you also can send me your channel link so that I can subscribe and view your channel throughout.
Yeah, okay, definitely. I will put the link here.
Yeah. So I want to ask you one question here. There's a person in our company who is from Kolkata, and he taught me a word, apni kamon achen. What
Okay.
this means?
It's a sentence. আপনি কেমন আছে? How are you?
Okay. And if I want to answer this question, then
আমি
what should
ভালো
I?
আছি. If you are good, feeling good, then you should say আমি ভালো আছি. If you are not feeling good, আমি ভালো নেই.
Okay, আমি ভালো নি.
Okay, wait, let me write it. আমি ভালো আছি, it's positive, okay? When you're good.
Okay.
If you're bad,
Okay.
feeling bad, আমি ভালো
Mhm.
নেই.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes. So
Yeah, আমি
is
ভালো
there
নেই।
anyone,
Okay.
is there
Understood.
anyone that you want to impress anyone with your Bengali? Do you have anyone?
No, he's my friend actually. Sometimes he speak when he comes, near to me and say, "Apni kemon achen?" So I don't
Okay.
understand his language. Sometimes we make fun. You know, he
Okay.
doesn't understand Marathi. Marathi
Okay.
is,
Mhm.
spoken in Maharashtra, right? So he
Mhm.
doesn't understand Marathi. So I speak in Marathi, he speaks in his native language.
So it becomes like totally you
So
guys
we,
don't understand.
yeah. So,
Okay.
so we just
So
make fun sometimes.
yeah, I don't know Marathi as well. I can understand Punjabi because it's similar to Hindi. I know how to speak Hindi, but
Mhm.
Marathi I completely blank. I can't understand.
Yeah. Okay. So how long have you been teaching on this platform, ma'am?
uh 5 months.
Oh, it's been 5 months. That's great.
Yes. Hmm.
The last session I had with Khushbu ma'am. Do you know her?
Kushi.
Yeah, Kushi, I think. Sorry.
Yeah.
Kushi or Khushbu? I don't know.
Her name is Kushi.
Kushi, okay. Kushi.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
I
how was
have a
it?
question, if you don't.
Yeah, yeah. Hmm.
I have a question if you don't mind. Can I ask you?
Hmm.
Yeah. There was a lot of people, or there were a lot of people.
There
Uh,
were a lot of
which is
people.
correct and yeah, which is correct and why?
Okay. There was a lot of people. People is plural, isn't it? And you're talking about
Plural.
past.
Yeah.
बहुत सारे इंसान थे,
Hmm.
लोग थे वहां. When you're
Hmm.
talking
Hmm.
about plural, but past,
Hmm.
then where?
Okay.
There were a lot of people.
Okay. Mm-hmm. And we cannot use their word, right?
Yeah, there
Sorry,
were
we
a
cannot
lot of
use
people.
their words.
No, because was is only for singular. And where,
Hmm.
WERE, is for plural. And people is plural.
Okay. Okay. So A should not be there, right? There were a lot of people, or there were a lot of people.
There were a lot of people. There were a lot of people. Both are correct.
Both are
Okay.
correct. So if I put there A, so that sentence will be correct,
Yes,
isn't it?
both are okay. There were a lot of people. There were lot of people. Yeah, both are okay. But there were a lot of people is more grammatically correct. And if you omit the then it's not fully correct, but it's partially correct. Okay, so using is the
Okay. Mm-hmm.
safest better option.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Because I was just scrolling on, you know, Instagram, and I heard this sentence from an influencer. There was a lot of people he mentioned. So I was quite, um, thinking at that point of time. So is this correct or not? So I wrote somewhere,
No,
and
no,
I thought
it's wrong.
I should ask you.
Sometimes, celebrities and influencers, I'm not degrading them. They're so fluent in English, so the other person
Mm,
can't find any faults in their speaking because they're so confident
mm,
and they do mistake.
right.
They makes many mistake in
Mm,
grammatical part. Even maybe the
mm,
us also make, but it's very minor. They also make it, and we
mhm,
get fascinated by
mm,
seeing, OMG, Deepika Padukone is so fluent, and things like that.
mhm. Everybody makes mistakes, right? So it doesn't matter, if influencers make mistake.
Yeah,
Everybody does mistake, right? Everybody makes mistake.
exactly. Yeah.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Okay. So what was your method, ma'am?
Okay. My
Should I?
method about what?
Yeah. What was your method of learning English?
Okay. My method of learning English, about this I made a video on my channel. If you wish, you can check it out. But I would say lot of practice. Practice is the key. I
Okay.
do a lot of practice. I did a lot of practice by speaking alone, by using some of the applications which are there. And I always had that curiosity in my mind whenever I get any new word from my book, whatever book I am reading, textual
Mm-hmm.
books, I used to mark
Mm-hmm.
that with a pencil and used to search for the meaning immediately. So like that, I learned and I used to read loudly, not in my mind. Always I used to read
Mm-hmm.
loudly. Always I had that curiosity. If I
Mm-hmm.
didn't understand any grammatical part, I always used to search on Google and always used to ask the teacher. I was not afraid of asking anything. I was very much passionate. So like that, I learned and a lot of practice, I would say, in short.
Okay. What were you making journal?
No,
No. Okay. So does that help making journal? What do you think?
don't know, but it depends according to the person to person. But for improving English, I would suggest first one should talk to people more and more. Okay, and one
Mm-hmm.
should have the basic knowledge about grammar, especially past tense, present, and future. Because if you make
Mm-hmm.
mistake in the tenses, it doesn't create any sense,
Mm-hmm.
isn't it? So one needs a lot of
Right.
practice, a lot of communication, then only one can become fluent. It's not like any time limit that within, on YouTube channel there are videos 5 days ban jaye fluent,
Mm.
5 दिन में fluent ban jaye.
Right.
It's
Right.
totally
I have seen.
fraud,
I have seen.
totally fake. It can't be.
Right. Right.
Six
Right.
months is the max time. Within 6 months, if you practice every
Mm.
day, then only you can be fluent.
Mm.
6 months
Mm-hmm. With
approximately.
consistency.
Yeah. It's not like that today you are not
Mm.
practicing. Today you are speaking Marathi, and after 1 week you are speaking English and you will be fluent. It's not
Mm.
like that. Regular
Mm.
practice, vigorous practice is needed. And reading
Mm.
books, having that curiosity, doing some
Mm.
practicing some grammar exercises and things like that,
Mm.
if you do it and if you keep your mind active with English, then within 6 months you can definitely
Mm.
get fluent. 5 days, 7 days,
Mm.
fake, fake, absolutely fake.
Mm. Right. 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 I have seen numerous many videos. I would say.
Absolutely fake. Many
In one day, in
yes.
2 days, in 6 days, right? And many people are charging. Many people are charging. What they do actually, they just take money from the students, right? I will
Yes.
teach you in 2 days, in 6 days, and will conduct webinar, and they will just pay.
Hmm. Fake. Those are fake. I
That's
have
right.
also seen a lot of people telling, oh, come with us, join our institute. Within 15 days, you will be mastered in English. English is a language. You can't
Right.
master in that. You can master in art, not in language. So this thing people don't understand and they charge 20,000. And when you join the class, they are teaching grammar on board. And in the name of spoken English,
Yeah.
students are not speaking.
Mm.
Students are on mute. Teacher is speaking. Then what is the point?
Teacher is speaking. Right. Right. Yeah. Whatever you said is undoubtedly correct. This is what happens actually in institute.
Yes.
Teacher speaks a lot and students are silent.
Yeah.
They are
Students are on
speechless.
mute.
So what is the point of joining that class actually, right?
Exactly.
Uh, you
But
know, on top, yeah, go ahead.
yeah, you say.
Yeah. So instead of joining, physical class, I would say, we can learn from the comfort of our home, isn't it? Everything is available in our hand right now. Google is there. Whatever the word, the person doesn't know, just in just a finger, he can search on Google, right, and get the meaning of that particular sentence or word, isn't it?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
learning English has become very easy nowadays because of this technology, I would say.
Mm-hmm. True. Indeed. Yeah.
It's been
You
a,
are, we
yeah,
are fortunate that we got. It's not like that we need to turn the pages
yeah,
of the dictionary. You can just download an
yeah,
application
yeah.
and you're good to go.
Mm, yeah, yeah. I used to do, 5 to 6 year back. I had a dictionary. Still, I have actually, right? Dictionary. I used to search particular word. If I don't get the meaning of that particular word, I would just go to dictionary and search of that meaning. Right. So this is what I used to do. But nowadays we have many applications, many solutions, right? Um, Google application is there, translator, right? You just need to speak and that application gives you the answer, right? In
Mm.
a second.
Yeah,
So it has become very easy right now. What
exactly.
it what needs to be done here is just consistency, I would say, right? In speaking,
Absolutely.
right? So
Mm.
what kind of applications do you use in order to improve your English?
Right now, I use nothing, but earlier I
Okay.
tried some of the applications which are Ace Fluency
Hmm.
and Talk Now.
Okay. Talk now. Ace
Talk Now,
Fluency I have already. I'm using.
Talk. But be aware, there are some
Hmm.
weird people available.
Fake people.
Ace Fluency.
Yeah. Yeah. Not
Yes.
only there, you will find everywhere. Not only there, you will find
Yes.
everywhere, I would say.
Yeah. All
Even
you
on
need to
Ace
do
Fluency.
is cut the call.
Yes, yes, yes. That is what we can do actually. Nothing is in our hand, right? We cannot abuse the person, right? And if they abuse, we have, we just, cut the call. Nothing is
Yes.
in our hand.
Or we can ignore also. Yes.
No, but how can you listen them? If somebody is abusing you, how can you ignore? Ignoring
Yeah,
is
I'm
just,
talking
you are listening.
real life, offline. Let's offline. Let's say someone is abusing me, insulting me. So I would ignore. There is no option of cutting the call. So ignoring in real
Okay.
life and cutting the call
Mm.
in like
Yeah.
online.
Mhm. Did you get the person who misbehaves with you? Any
Uh,
person?
no, I didn't get as such because girls usually face different kind of problem. So I didn't put my
Mhm.
picture or anything. I just made my profile as Arpita only, not Bhattacharya. So other person
Mm.
was, he asked that what do you do, Arpita? So I said that I am studying and all. So after that intro
Mm.
part, he asked me, "Are you single?" So he asked, he asked me that question. I
They,
simply said that here I am only for practicing. I'm not here for all those things. But he said, I'm here
Mm.
for these things only. Please talk to me.
Right. Mhm.
So I cut the call and blocked.
But yeah, because I have observed one thing actually. This is very easy to speak. What is your name and where are you from?
Yeah.
But when it comes to speak on a particular topic, that becomes very hard actually, isn't
Mhm.
it?
Absolutely.
We should have knowledge about that topic. Then we will able to talk about that topic, right?
Yes, right.
So I feel that is why many people ask where are you from and are you married or are you single? I think that might be the reason. I don't know what it is.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, actually, yeah. And I think is fluency on that platform you only can speak 25 minutes, I think, right? As far as I know,
25 minutes
25
speech
minutes a
of
day.
time and you can buy some of the subscriptions, and you can talk to native speaker also. That's paid part. But if you want to talk for free, then 25 minutes every day.
Mhm, mhm. But in my point of view, 25 minutes is enough, I think, right?
Hmm.
Or else we have many applications apart from that, right? Yes, Fluency. There
Hmm.
is an application called Hello on which you can do many activities over there. You can go live or you can chat, right? You can speak virtually.
Yeah, I didn't try that, but
So
I
taking
have heard
subscription,
about it.
mm, yeah, you can try that application as well. Hello application. It's been a long time I'm using that, and there
Okay.
are no bugs, I think, as
Okay.
I found in other applications.
Hmm. Yeah. But
Mm,
unlike other application nowadays, there are some applications like which are trending on YouTube. Everyone is posting such
mhm.
conversations. Camly is one of them.
Cambly, yeah, I was using Cambly actually.
Okay, so did you like
Yeah,
it?
yeah, yeah, of course. That was,
But
yeah,
don't you
that
think
was
it's
quite
hype?
expensive, but yeah, go ahead.
Don't you think it's hype?
It's, sorry, I didn't get
Don't
you.
you think it's hyped, overhyped?
Yeah, yeah, hyped, right? Or hike. What did you say?
Hyped, hyped.
Type here so that I can understand. Okay, hype. Okay, what is the meaning of hyped? Let me ask you here.
Okay.
I don't know the
Uh,
meaning of hype.
hyped meaning is which is not worthy of too much praising, but still people are very much crazy about it. So it's hyped.
Mhm. Okay, okay. Why people are crazy? Let me tell you here. Because we are having conversation with foreigners, and you know that in India, people like to speak with foreigners,
Yeah.
right? Than Indians. But I do believe that Indians. I have used several applications for English practice, and I have observed one thing that Indians are really good in terms of speaking English.
Okay.
What do you think? What are your views on that?
Like I think foreigners, it's already their native language. So obviously they would
Yeah.
be able to speak in English. But when
Yes.
if you
Yes.
ask them about the grammatical part to any foreigner, they won't be able to explain in
Hmm.
that. But if you ask any Indian to explain any grammar part, they will be able to explain you in a better way.
Okay.
I think so.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. When I was using Cambly, they used to tell me everything actually. They used to explain me, right? But sometimes, the accent was very different. I could not understand that point of time when I was having conversation with them because Indian accent is very different than
Yeah,
US or, American accent.
yeah.
Sometimes I know the meaning, but their accent was totally different.
Hmm.
So this is what happens sometimes.
Hmm. Yeah. Indian accent is the most clearest accent, I would say.
Yeah. Yes, yes. I feel the same. I feel the same. It's
Hmm.
understandable.
Yeah. And their accent is quite difficult to understand for us because we are not habituated to listen to them much. That's
Habitual. Yeah. That's the reason. That's the reason. They speak very fast because they are habituated to speak. And that's their
yeah.
native language, right?
And
That is
also
why
they
they
use
speak very fast.
contractions. Also they use contractions
Hmm.
in their speech. That is the reason too.
Hmm. Right, right, right. Contractions means, um, I don't know. They say, I don't know, right?
Yeah,
In
yeah.
short,
I
I
don't
don't know.
know. Don't know. I don't know.
I
Didn't.
I
Yeah.
don't know, huh? Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know.
Yes, yes, like that. That is why it seems fast.
Yeah. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Right. So, how is your Do you take also online sessions, right? As you said.
Yes, I have one online institute.
Okay. Okay. And what money you charge
Monthly rupees 100.
for a class? Okay. Monthly rupees 100. Wow, it's very cheap.
Yes, because
This is a
I
great service.
started it because from June this year only, because by having that
Mhm,
mentality only, that so that every section of society can afford, villagers can also afford. So that is why
mhm,
I started it, and I will be
mhm,
keeping this amount only 100 so that everyone can afford.
mhm,
And practice sessions every day are being happened, conducted, and also twice in a
Wow.
week and 8 classes in a month. I take classes live, which are group discussion, topic, debate, this kind of things.
Mhm,
I take communication.
mhm. Okay. And on which platform this happens? Everything,
Google Meet.
this
Google.
activity? Google Meet.
Yes.
Okay, that's really great. So you are giving so much in 100 rupees only. Okay,
Okay,
great.
so we had a lovely conversation,
Yes, sir.
and it was nice talking to you, Deepak. Hope we would meet again. So keep practicing, and I
Yeah,
want to give you one feedback. Your English is quite good. You didn't
yeah.
make any grammatical mistake, but all you need is more practice. Your communication is also good. Okay, keep doing it, and all the best. And give the link
Thank
of
you,
your YouTube
ma'am.
channel. I would also give.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
yes,
Yeah,
okay.
definitely,
So
definitely. Thank you
till
for
then,
your feedback. Thank you.
yes.
Thank you. See
Till
you, ma'am.
then,
Okay.
bye.
See you. Okay.